China aims to eliminate poverty in the country by the end of 2020, and Guangxi Province is a key region in China's poverty alleviation efforts. Hi, this is Wafa from China Report ASEAN, and today we are here at Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region to take a closer look at some poverty-stricken counties and find out what kind of targeted measures have been taken in the region to eliminate absolute poverty. We're now here at Yong'an Village, one of the most impoverished villages in Du'an County, which is one of the key regions for a poverty reduction program, and the county has encouraged villagers to shake off poverty through raising sheep.
我们安南今年的话，一斗边有133户，我们133户的平均户，每户有53羊寄养在这里。那么这只2羊的话呢，一年给虽然2批，那我们每户平均户单羊是分红，到10月份就可以享受1000块钱的养羊的红利。大家看一下，我们上面有红色的那个牌子。我们平均户家里面有一张，所有的羊的编号跟在家里面跟栏里面编号一样的。我们这里离镇上也不远。那平均户的话呢，平时周末或者上街可以到羊场里面，看我的羊晒不晒，看我的羊成长怎么样。也就是说，我们不定期的带我们平均户或者平均户事发到羊圈里面看他的羊是否还在，是否成长，是否销售了。
Under this kind of environmental conditions, raising 10 sheep here in the village became an important economic pillar for local people, which helped villagers to get rid of poverty, increase their income, and find better jobs. So if you have any questions, just leave us a comment below.